Hi there, students. To spurn. To spurn. To spurn is to reject an offer, to reject something because you don't like it, because you think it's worthless or of little value. To spurn is to reject something, but in a rather nasty way. Let's see, originally spurn used to mean to kick something away in disgust. But nowadays we use it to talk about rejecting an offer. To reject with scorn, to reject with contempt. So he spurned my offer of help. Bah, I don't want your help. You can't help me. You're absolutely useless. Okay, so to spurn, to reject something but with scorn, to reject it in a nasty, unpleasant way. She spurned my advances and treated me with disdain. Well, I probably deserved it. Pah! Yeah, is to reject something with contempt. Yeah, it's not surprising she spurned his advances. So to turn your nose up at something, yeah, to give something the cold shoulder. Yeah, you despise it, but you say no, but in a nasty way. You refuse something, you turn it down, but you're shunning it or snubbing it at the same time. So yeah, they spurned my offer to lend them my car. They said my car was too old and it wasn't impressive enough. He spurned my invitation to lunch, to reject something with contempt. Yeah, to reject something unpleasantly, to rebuff. Yeah, so it's to say no to, but in a nasty way. Yeah, if you're spurning something, you're rejecting it, but you're also doing it in a nasty way, making the person feel that their offer is valueless. Okay, so it's to scorn, to reject, to spurn somebody's offer. Okay, he spurned my advice, and that's how he got into all of these problems. Okay, he spurned his wife and went off to live with another woman. Okay, so to reject, to rebuff, to treat badly, you spurn an offer. I offered to buy it for £100, but he spurned my offer and said it's worth at least 1,000. There's no way I would sell it to you. So to spurn an offer, to reject it, to be really rather nasty in the way that you say no. So she spurned all his offers of help. She spurned all of his proposals of marriage. Kids tend to spurn their parents' advice. What do you know about something like that? They spurned our offer of help. The leader spurned the security that he was offered. Okay, so to spurn, to reject, yeah, to spurn something, but in a nasty way. It's actually interesting. There's a place in North Humberside, in Yorkshire, which goes out into the sea, which is called Spurn. But that's a total aside. Okay, so to spurn, to reject. Don't spurn my offer of help. Don't spurn the money that I'm offering you. Okay, so formality, spurn. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think it's a bit on the formal side, but I think you could probably use it anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Proto-Germanic spurnana, to tread, to kick, to knock. And that goes back to this idea I said at the beginning, is to spurn is to kick something away or to tread on it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Spurn.